Hi there, welcome to this tutorial for the play-along videos on the UkePlayAlongs channel of the 59th Street Bridge, or Feelin Groovy, as recorded by Simon and Garfunkel. I am in the process of recording tutorials and making baritone versions of earlier songs on my channel, and ultimately I'm having to recreate the videos from scratch, so as a result all the videos are being republished as well as these tutorials. If you want the chord chart or tabs for the song, you can find that on my website at UkeStuff.info. What we're going to do in this video, first of all, we'll go over the chords you need for GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele in the key of C. Then we'll go over the chords you need for soprano concert or tenor ukulele in the key of G. And then we'll go over the chords you need for the song for baritone DGBE ukulele in the key of G. And then I'll talk about strumming. If you want to support the work at this channel, there are three things you can do. You can like this video, you can subscribe to the channel, or third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need to play 59th Street Bridge on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele in the key of C. So in this case, you'll want to be using your pinky and holding down the first string, third fret all the time, and then making the other chord shapes. So first, again, with that pinky down all the time, you have the F chord, then the C chord. You just take off your fingers, and then you play a D minor 7 by playing the D minor chord with your pinky planted there. And that is the progression for the whole song. You've got the F chord again, the C chord, and then the D minor 7. And those are the three chords to play 59th Street Bridge on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele in the key of C. So this song in the key of G only has three chords, and they're pretty easy. You've got the C chord, you've got the G chord, and the A minor 7 chord. And those are the three chords you need to play Feelin Groovy or 59th Street Bridge on GCEA soprano concert tenor ukulele in the key of G. Now let's look at baritone. On baritone DGBE ukulele, these are the chords you're going to need. Now, first of all, plant your pinky finger, your fourth finger, on the first string, third fret for everything you're going to play. And then you're first going to play a C chord with that pinky planted. Then you lift off and play the G chord. And then you're going to play an A minor chord, making an A minor 7. And those are the three chords you need again. The C chord with the pinky, the G chord, and then the A minor 7. And you're going to leave that pinky down the entire song. All right, now let's talk about strumming. Now, as it comes to strumming, please keep in mind that there is no single right answer here, as Paul Simon wasn't playing ukulele on this song. There is no single right answer. There are some rules with strumming, though. So here they are. First of all, play the right chord at the right time. Second, keep a steady tempo. And third, make sure that whatever you play matches the style of the music. If you're following those three rules, then you're good to go. Those are the three rules. Now, if you can't figure out a strumming pattern on your own, here's an idea for you. And for me, it's simply, and I'm going to put this up here in the key of G because then it works for both baritone and for standard GCA soprano concert tenor ukulele. I just hear this as a strumming pattern that I would do most of the time, which is down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. And it is swung. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. That's going to work through the entire song. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. So, with those chords and that strumming pattern, that's all you need to do to be successful on 59th Street Bridge or Feelin Groovy as recorded by Simon and Garfunkel. Thanks so much for joining me for this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.